Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are not sure whether node.js is installed on your Mac or not, let's check it out in a few simple steps. First, open the terminal, press Command plus space and type in terminal, press enter. You will see the terminal on your screen. Now type this command, node space dash v. V here stands for the version number, and press enter. If you see a version number, like in my case it's v24.10.0, this means that Node.js is installed on your system. This version may vary depending upon the version of Node.js installed on your system. Once we have a successful installation confirmation, we go to the next step, and that is checking the version of npm. We do it using the same command, but this time replacing node with npm. So we type in npm space dash v and pressing enter. If you see another version number, that means npm is also installed and working properly. If you see command not found, that simply means that node.js is not installed yet. So go to node.js.org and go to the downloads section and install the node.js package. After installation, restart your terminal and run the same commands again. If you see version number this time, you're good to go and ready to start building your Node and React apps. So this is all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.